guys, welcome back. So I am in the kitchen cooking right now. I am making a recipe from Home Chef, and this one is the, let me show you guys the card. So this is the steak strip and broccoli lo mein, and it looks so good. It looks really good on the card. So I'm trying that. This has teriyaki sauce, and this is my first time using Home Chef, so I was really excited. They are sponsoring this video, by the way, so I really have to give them a big thanks for that. The package came like as soon as it was supposed to. And let me show you guys the box, because everything came packaged up really well and insulated, so even if you're not home when you get your package, it's not going to spoil on your porch, because they have like a lot of ice bags inside. And all of your meals are going to come individually packaged so that you know which one you're cooking. They're not going to just like mix it all together, as you can see. And the meat for all of your meals are going to come packaged separately, so it's not like any cross-contamination going on. But it's really great, guys. I highly recommend you try it out. It's so easy. All you have to do is sign up, complete your taste profile, and then select your meals, and you get to select your delivery date. So that's really great as well. And if you click the link in my description box, you can get $30 off of your first order, guys. So that's awesome. Definitely give it a try. I highly recommend it. It's been such a great experience for me so far. And the meal card is so easy to understand. It gives you all of the information that you're going to need, and on the back it tells you step by step how to make your meals. It also tells you what you're going to need, like the size pan you need and any additional items that you're going to need that's not inside of the box. All right, guys, so I have my ingredients. The water is boiling already, so I'm just going to add the pasta and let it cook for about 4 to 6 minutes according to the instructions. I have to use a timer because I get distracted easily and this stuff will burn. But yeah, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get the steak going. You just add some oil to a pan. Just put the steak in, and the steak is pretty thin, so it's going to cook really fast. It says it only has to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, so I'm just going to do that. All right, so this recipe is pretty easy. Like, you just boil your pasta, brown your meat, and then steam your broccoli, put it all together with the teriyaki sauce, and you're good to go. My meat is done, the pasta is done. Let me take it out and strain it. I'm going to add the broccoli. So I'm just making a broccoli now, and this recipe says it takes 25 to 35 minutes to do, but I don't even feel like it takes that much time, honestly. Or, I mean, I'm not really paying attention to the time, but it's not taking me long at all to do this, which is great because I do not like to be in the kitchen for a really long time cooking. It's just not fun for me. But yeah, as soon as that's done cooking, I'll just combine it all together and add my teriyaki sauce. I have some red pepper flakes here, and then I have some crispy rice noodles that I can add on top. All right, time to give it a taste. This looks so good, and I'm so hungry. This could definitely feed like 3. Yeah, this is like a serving of 3, at least in my house. This will be like a serving of 3. All right, so let me go ahead and give it a taste. Get some steak on there, some broccoli. I am so hungry too, and I love pasta. I need to like calm down on it though, like carbs period, because I'm trying to lose this belly fat, and carbs are like really bad for that, but I just love it so much. This one is really good. I'm not about to eat this whole thing in front of you guys because I honestly don't like eating on camera. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you again, Home Chef, for sending me this out to share with my viewers. I really do appreciate it. But I definitely recommend it. Don't forget to check the description box for $30 off of your first order. It's so worth it. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish my food before it gets cold. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.